Welcome to Fields and Flights. Have you ever wanted to grow something truly unique and incredibly beneficial right in your own backyard or balcony? Today, we're diving into the world of bitter gourd, also known as Karela. This fascinating vegetable, with its distinctive bumpy skin and powerful flavor, is a staple in many cuisines and is celebrated for its remarkable health properties. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through every single step of the process, transforming a tiny seed into a thriving, productive vine. We'll cover everything from selecting the right seeds and preparing the perfect soil mix, to planting, nurturing your vine with the right support, and ensuring it gets the ideal amount of water and nutrients. We'll even show you the secrets to successful pollination to guarantee a bountiful harvest. And once you've picked your homegrown gourds, we'll explore the incredible health benefits that make this vegetable a true superfood for your garden and your body. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, you'll find all the tips and tricks you need to succeed. So, grab your gardening gloves and let's get ready to grow some amazing bitter gourd together. Bitter gourd, also known as Karela, is a tropical vine belonging to the cucumber family. It loves warm weather and grows best in summer. It's easy to grow in pots or small garden spaces, perfect for home gardeners. Start with fresh, mature bitter gourd seeds. Soak them in warm water overnight. This helps soften the hard shell and speeds up germination. Prepare a nutrient-rich potting mix using 40% garden soil, 40% compost, and 20% cocoa peat or sand for good drainage. Now for the exciting part, planting. In your prepared pot, which should be at least 12 to 15 inches in diameter to give the roots plenty of room, it's time to sow your seeds. We plant 2 to 3 seeds per pot as a little insurance policy, ensuring we get at least one strong seedling. Make a small hole with your finger, about ½ inch or 1½ centimeters deep, and gently place the seeds inside. Then, cover them lightly with your potting mix. Give them their first drink of water, ensuring the soil is evenly moist, but definitely not waterlogged. Soggy soil can lead to seed rot. Now, patience is key. Bitter gourd seeds love warmth to germinate, so place your pot in a sunny, warm location. For an extra boost, you can create a mini greenhouse by covering the pot with clear plastic wrap. This traps humidity and heat, which can speed up germination. In about 8 to 10 days, you should see the first signs of life as tiny green shoots emerge. It's always a magical moment. Once your seedlings have developed a few true leaves and are about 4 to 5 inches tall, it's time for a tough but necessary step: thinning. This feels harsh, but it's vital for the plant's health. Identify the strongest, most vigorous-looking seedling in each pot. To avoid disturbing the roots of your chosen champion, don't pull the others out. Instead, simply snip the weaker seedlings off at the soil line with a pair of scissors. This ensures the remaining plant gets all the nutrients, water, and light it needs to thrive. Bitter gourd is a natural climber. As soon as your seedling starts developing into a vine, it will begin looking for something to grab onto. You need to provide a sturdy support structure like a trellis, net, or even a simple frame of bamboo stakes. Install it now to avoid damaging the roots later. Gently guide the young vine towards the support. You can loosely tie it with soft garden twine to encourage it to start its upward journey. This vertical growth is essential for good air circulation, which prevents diseases and makes harvesting much easier. Finally, think about location. Your bitter gourd plant is a sun worshipper and needs at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight every day to produce a bountiful harvest. If you live in a windy area, try to place it in a spot that offers some protection, as strong winds can damage the delicate vines and flowers. With the right support and plenty of sunshine, your plant is now well on its way. Water the plants 3 to 4 times a week, depending on the weather. Avoid overwatering. It can cause root rot. Add a handful of compost or liquid fertilizer every 15 days to boost growth and fruit yield. Bitter gourd plants produce both male and female flowers. If pollination is low, you can hand pollinate using a brush or cotton swab. Harvest your gourds 12 to 16 days after flowering, while they're still green and tender. Now that you've successfully grown your own bitter gourd, let's talk about why this unique vegetable is so prized in cuisines and traditional medicine around the world. While its name certainly doesn't lie, it is quite bitter. The health benefits it offers are incredibly sweet. This humble gourd is a true nutritional powerhouse, packed with an impressive array of vitamins and minerals. In just a 100-gram serving, you get a significant dose of vitamin C, which is crucial for fighting disease and healing. It's also rich in vitamin A, promoting good vision and skin health, along with folate, essential for cell growth. Plus, it's loaded with minerals like potassium, iron, and zinc, and is an excellent source of dietary fiber. One of its most celebrated benefits is its potential to help regulate blood sugar levels. Bitter gourd contains active compounds that are believed to function similarly to insulin, which may make it beneficial for individuals managing diabetes. Of course, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet, especially if you have a medical condition. It's also fantastic for your digestive system. The high fiber content aids in smooth digestion and helps prevent constipation. Traditionally, bitter gourd is also used as a natural detoxifier, believed to cleanse the liver and purify the blood thanks to its potent antioxidant properties. The powerful combination of vitamin C and antioxidants also works wonders for your immunity and skin. It can help strengthen your body's defenses and give your skin a natural glow by fighting off free radicals. Furthermore, its anti-inflammatory properties may help soothe skin ailments. If you're on a weight management journey, bitter gourd is an excellent addition to your diet. It's low in calories, but high in fiber, which helps you feel full for longer, reducing overall calorie intake. Some studies also suggest it may help manage cholesterol levels, contributing to better heart health. To enjoy these benefits, you can stir-fry it with onions and spices, stuff it with a savory filling, or add it to lentil dishes. If you're brave enough for the juice, start small. Dilute it with water or mix it with apple or cucumber juice, and add a pinch of salt and lemon to make it more palatable. Remember, moderation is key. And that's how you grow bitter gourd at home easily. Try it this season and enjoy a healthy harvest. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home gardening tips.